Hope is chasing a red laser, and Noah is too. Here, Daddy, bring it over here so I can show what it is. Here's the red laser right here. There's Hope. It's a cheap way to entertain kids and dogs. Get it, Hope? Where is it, Hope? Hope, where is it? Uh-oh, she's pooped. Are you pooped? You never got that red light, did you? Hey.
He's getting tired.
No, I'm gonna